Right, quick video concerning this 90s metal band, hair band, whatever you want to call it. Danger Danger with the DD44. Yeah. The album artwork in it. That. And I showed you on that video that I made called Danger Birds. Right, and I thought there's a lot going on in the background down here in this street scene that needs more looking into, yeah. And look what I found here. Does that look like the Virgin Mary with two dogs? With a dog and the bird going on? It fucking does to me. Looks a lot like that to me. There's that shape again, like with the building there. In the back alley. With the bird and the dogs. And that looks like some guy like manipulating a puppet. Is that a cat or a monkey? Cats and monkeys are all relevant, aren't they? It's an interesting scene. I'd like to get a slightly better quality copy of that. But look, that's you can see that's what that is. That's either Jesus with some dogs or it's the Virgin Mary with some dogs. Very hard to tell from that resolution. Interesting though. So I'll put that one out there in a bit. Peace.